All right, now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to divide rational functions. And what you're going to notice is in this first expression right over here, we've got this statement and it's divided by another rational expression over here. I wrote it down because this takes a little bit longer to type in. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to type it in. What I want you to do is, because it's going to show up weird, so I'm going to put parentheses around the x squared minus 5x plus 6. And then I'm going to press the division. I'm going to put x plus 4. Okay. Once I do that, I press over and I press divide. It's going to stack the fraction. So I'm going to continue with that x squared minus 9 and then divided by x squared plus 5x plus 4. What you can see is this weird stacked fraction. That tends to be a little bit confusing. Now, in order to divide rational expressions, it's actually pretty simple. It's the exact same as multiplying rational expressions. The only difference is when you divide by a fraction, you have to flip the second fraction. I know that's messy. Okay, so we're going to flip the second fraction. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it x squared minus 5x plus 6 all over x plus 4 times, I switch the division to times and I flip the fraction, x squared plus 5x plus 4 all over x squared minus 9. I'm going to go ahead and erase some of this because it's a little bit messy. Okay. Okay. We can verify that it's the same just by typing it in, typing this statement in, and it will overlap that green one. I'm going to save us that time on there, okay? Once we get to here, we're going to do exactly what we did in the previous video. We're going to go ahead and start finding roots and writing all the factors out. So I'm going to type in x squared minus 5x. 6. I'm going to find those roots, so 2 and 3. And so I'm going to write x minus 2, x minus 3. So let me give us a little bit of space. X minus 2, x minus 3. I'm going to turn that off. And then I'm going to type in x plus 4. But x plus 4 is its factor already, fully simplified. So I'm going to type in x 4 parentheses and then times. Hopefully this will all fit. And then I'm going to get x squared plus 5x plus 4. X squared plus 5x plus 4. Find those roots. So it looks like I got negative 4 and negative 1. So I'm going to write those x plus 4. X plus 1. And then I'm going to follow that up by doing the last one, which is this x squared minus 9. Okay, find the roots on that, and we should get used to seeing some of these. So negative 3 and positive 3. I'm going to come back to draw. So negative 3 and positive 3. So x minus 3x plus 3. Remember, we're using the opposites. That's supposed to be a 3. Okay, and from there, I just start canceling. So I got an x minus 3 right here. It cancels with this x minus 3. I got an x plus 4 here. Cancels with that x plus 4. Okay, and then I've got an x minus 2, an x plus 1, and then an x plus 2. So x minus 2. X plus 1 all over x plus 3. Apologize for the sloppiness on that screen right now. Let me turn this off. It may help out. Okay. And this is what we are dealing with. Those are what were left over because all the ones that are exactly the same canceled out. And just check my answer, which is I've been really focusing on that and just checking my answers. I'm going to type in x minus 2, x plus 1, all divided by x plus 3. If we've done it correct, they overlap. And you can see that if I turn off the green and the blue, green shows up, and then blue overlaps it. That means that they are equivalent or the same.